Tabata protocol is 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest, 8 times over. What is the benefit of Tabata workouts? Brings your heart rate up, right? So that when you're doing Tabata workouts, you're working really hard for 20 seconds and you're resting for 10 seconds. And that brings your heart rate up, spikes it up. What else?
Pretty much go all in.
You can go all in, right? So you're going as hard as you can each time. Why is that such a big deal? Increases your lactic acid, which basically helps you improve your lactic acid threshold, your lactic acid tolerance. First time doing Tabata, some people end up throwing up because they just can't take that. It's like a shock to the system. But after a while, you're able to develop a tolerance to it, and you get used to it, and you're able to go longer. What's that? It boosts metabolism, yeah. Basically, it revs up your metabolism. You're revving up that engine really fast, and then after you rev it up, it just keeps going. When you normally do, like for instance, an endurance workout, like for instance, rowing, okay? So if you do rowing for a long distance, what does that work on? What does that improve? Endurance, right? Rowing improves endurance, all right? How about back squats? When you're doing heavy back squats, what does that improve? Strength. Right. So what if we applied the Tabata protocol to a rowing? So let's say, for instance, you row really hard, really fast for 20 seconds, and then you rest for 10 seconds, and you repeat that for 8 times over. What does that improve? What do you think? That'll improve stamina, right? What else? What's that? Speed, yeah, because you're basically going as hard as you could, speed. How about strength? Strength building. When you're going all out really hard, you're using all these muscles, right? You're building strength. What happens when you exert a lot of energy over a very short amount of time? What do you call that? Power. How about with the back squats? What happens if you do back squats in a Tabata fashion, where you're going up and down as fast as you can during 20 seconds, and then you rest for 10 seconds? You improve strength, but what else are you working on? Coordination, sure. You're working on coordination. What else? Agility. Right? What's the definition of agility? Change position. Being able to change position or change direction quickly, fast. Okay? What else? How about endurance? When you're going up and down really fast, is that going to make you breathe harder? Yeah, definitely. So that's endurance too. How about stamina? You're working on stamina, right? Being able to keep moving for a long period of time. Okay, stamina. Power. Power too. Okay. Anything else? That's about it, really. Cool. So that's why we do Tabata, right? You get more benefits by doing a Tabata workout than by rowing, 5K, long distance, or by doing back squats for strength training. If you apply the Tabata protocol to these, you get better results, better fitness results overall.